Hi everyone. So coming to the market outlook, we all know that markets have done very well last year. But if we break up the market into two parts, we see that investors have clearly divided the market into COVID impacted sectors and COVID proof sectors. And last year, COVID proof sectors have done very well versus the COVID impacted sector. But now, as and when things normalizing on the economic front, one will see the COVID impacted sectors play catch up and start outperforming the COVID proof sectors on an overall basis. So that is the broad construct of the market. Secondly, on the broader economy, we are starting to see things do well actually, and when that happens, you see the broader market also start does better. So let us not get carried away by the euphoria of the last few months and think that the mid cap and small caps have done very well, because even today the BSE mid cap index is still up just 4-5% over the last 3 years. In fact, the BSE small cap index is negative on a 3-year basis. That goes to show that the broader market hasn't participated if we take the last 3 years. But now, as things normalizing on the broader economic front, there's a high degree of likelihood that the broader market could do better actually. So that is the broad construct of for the market. Coming to the fund, how is the large and mid cap fund positioned? Firstly, again, let me again divide the fund into two parts, the COVID impacted stocks and the COVID proof stocks. So today, around 62% allocation is towards stocks which have been impacted out of COVID. And now, as I said, with things normalizing, I expect this bucket to do much better going ahead. Secondly, around 48% allocation is towards mid and small cap in the fund. Hence, again, as I mentioned earlier, with the broader market seeming like will do better, a high allocation towards mid and small cap could help the fund performance going ahead. Thirdly, coming to the sectoral allocation, around 38% allocation is towards the BFSI sector, around 30% allocation towards the consumption sector, around 11% allocation towards the healthcare piece, and around 10% allocation towards the construction and cement sector. So that's the broad sectoral mix for the fund. So you will see that around 70% allocation is towards the BFSI and the consumption sector. So why are we so bullish on this sector? Firstly, within the financial space, I mean, as I said that with things normalizing on the economy front, one is seeing the asset quality concerns come down for the sector, and as that happens, you will see the sector do very well this year. And in my view, probably this could be one of the best performing sector this year. Secondly, on the consumption side, there's a fair degree of pent up demand which is there across categories, and hence this pent up demand could lead to higher demand growth in the short to medium term, thereby helping the consumption stock. So that is the broad thought process of being overweight on these two sectors in the fund. So just to summarize, the fund is I think very nicely balanced with a higher tilt towards the recovery play at this juncture, and also with a reasonably good allocation to mid and small cap. Hence, incrementally going ahead, the fund it should help the fund in terms of these two attributes for the fund. So that's it from my side. Thank you guys for listening to me.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.